Emma and Jake, two inseparable siblings, spent their childhood in a cozy home nestled by the mountains. They built forts, played in the fields, and dreamed of adventures together. As the years passed, life pulled them in different directions. Jake moved to the city to pursue his career, while Emma stayed behind to care for their aging parents and the family home. One winter evening, Emma called Jake to warn him about a heavy storm heading their way. But busy with his work, Jake brushed it off, saying, "I'll call you later, Emma." The storm struck with fury, damaging the family home and leaving Emma to manage everything alone. Despite her efforts, the burden was overwhelming. Realizing his mistake, Jake rushed home. "I should have listened," he said, guilt in his eyes. Together, they began repairing the house, side by side. After the repairs, they planted a tree in the garden, a symbol of their renewed bond. As they worked, Jake realized how much he had taken Emma's sacrifices for granted. Years later, the tree grew tall and strong, a reminder of their unbreakable bond. Jake and Emma shared the responsibility of caring for their parents, knowing they could face anything together. The moral of the story is family bonds may bend, but with love and effort, they never break.